How to recover old chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Chats. After you've clicked on Chats, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down and click on Chat Backup. In here, simply click on Backup and all your old chats will be recovered. After you've done, you can also export by clicking on Chat History and then click on Export Chat and select the chat you want to export and you're good to go. This is how to recover old chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.